Good afternoon. My name is Soma. Today I am going to talk about the language Bengali, and then I am going to recite a poem in Bengali and its English translation by me. Bengali is an Indo-Aryan language and its root comes from Sanskrit. It was the major language in the eastern part of the Indian subcontinent. After India gained its freedom from the British Empire, Bengali became the second most spoken language in India as well as the native language of Bangladesh. Bengali speaking people, known as Bengalis, have a rich cultural, educational, and literary heritage. It's the fifth most spoken native language and the seventh most spoken language worldwide. Rabindranath Tagore, the first Nobel laureate of India, being a Bengali, had owned a very soft place in almost all Bengalis' hearts. He was a great poet, songwriter, novelist, reformist, philosopher, and a great talent of all time. He wrote more than 2,000 songs, which are known as Rabindra Sangeet. Both India and Bangladesh's national anthems are written by Tagore. Lyrics penned by Rabindranath Tagore are rich with ornamental words of love for nature, the Supreme Lord or Brahma, and humans, and are sang as songs as well as narratives. Today I will present a Rabindra Sangeet with beautiful words of love for a beloved. I will sing a few lines and then present the poem in Bengali, followed by my English translation. This is my way of remembering him and offering my love and respect to a great composer and my humble effort in translating one of the songs and presenting Rabindranath Tagore and Bengali literature and culture in this platform. I am thankful to PRA Publishing, Ms. Lucinda Clark, and Association of Writers and Writing Program Conference for inviting me. ভালোবেসে সখী নিভৃতে যতনে আমার নামটি লিখো তোমার মনের মন্দিরে ভালোবেসে সখী নিভৃতে যতনে আমার নামটি লিখো তোমার মনের মন্দিরে আমার পরাণে যে গান বাজিছে তাহার তালটি শিখো তোমার চরণ মঞ্জিরে My love, keep my name in your heart quietly. Make your feet beat in the rhythm of the song in my heart. ধরিয়া রাখিও সোহাগে আদরে আমার মুখর পাখি তোমার প্রাসাদ প্রাঙ্গণে মনে করে সখী বাঁধিয়া রাখিও আমার হাতের রাখি তোমার কনক কঙ্কণে Hold my face with your hands, keep the image like a mirror in your heart forever. My love, keep my name in your heart quietly. আমার লতার একটি মুকুল ভুলিয়া তুলিয়া রেখো তোমার অলোক বন্ধনে আমার শরণ শুভ সিন্দুরে একটি বিন্দু এঁকো তোমার ললাট চন্দনে I love to see you when you make your hair and put a flower there from my garden. Let my emotion embrace you like a fragrance forever, and keep my love and memory like that red vermilion dot right on your forehead. আমার মনের মোহের মাধুরী মাখিয়া রাখিয়া দিও তোমার অঙ্গ সৌরভে, আমার আকুল জীবন মরণ টুটিয়া লুটিয়া নিও তোমার অতুল গৌরবে. Rob me, still my love, but be there in my heart as a glory, and my love, be there in my heart as a glory, and my love.